This is Dominic with SafeandVaultStore.com, and we're going to talk about the SafeandVaultStore VL-913SVS large capacity pistol locker. This pistol locker is a great option for police departments, prisons, and anywhere where you need to store a pistol. You can see there are holes on the top, on the sides, and on the bottom, which allow you to bolt it to any type of surface, under a counter or on a counter. They can be bolted together so you can have a cluster of them for multiple handguns. This safe uses an M-lock, which is a high security key, and this key has 6 billion different key combinations and very hard to be duplicated. Each lock comes with 3 keys that are keyed the same, and it's open the door, and inside you've got this nice foam material on the bottom that prevents scratches on your handgun on the inside. You can see it fits a handgun comfortably, but you can also put other items inside if you wanted. You can order this pistol locker individually, or you can order multiples, and you can even have them welded together. If you have any questions about this large pistol locker, you can give us a call at 800-207-2259, or you can find it on our website, www.safeandvaultstore.com.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.